Hello friends, myself S.A. Sawant. Today we are going to learn a new topic that is history of novel. A novel is a long fictional narrative which describes intimate human experience. The novel in the modern era usually makes use of a literary prose style. The 18th century provides us two important forms of English literature. First, the periodical essay and another novel. But between two, novel attract people's attention because novel reflect intellectual, sentimental and realistic life of 18th century. Since the time of its origin, novel became popular day by day and today it is recognized as the most dominant form of English literature. The present English word novel is taken from the Italian word novella, which means new. A novel means a story that gives detailed information of time, place, nature of people and their minds, their gestures and activities. A novel gives us clear picture of society of that time. Novel is very easy to understand. The novel has a long history of about 2000 years. Some writers wrote some romantic stories, especially about Greek romances in 2nd to 6th century. These stories were imaginative and very delightful. Also gives experience of ideal love and marvelous adventure. These stories affected the creative writing for the next 1000 years. Today, we found some clues of modern literary prose in Virgil's Eclogues or Marlowe's Morte d'Arthur or Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. As per information, the world's first novel is Tale of Genji by Murasaki Shikubu, which was written in 10,010. Don Quixote, a novel written by a Spanish writer, is known as European novel, which was published in two parts between 1605 and 1615. In the 18th century, middle class people attract towards newspapers and magazines. These middle class people had a very little interest in romances and tragedies compared to upper class people. So, a need arose for a new type of literature that would express the new ideas of the 18th century. Now, this new type of literature had some characteristics spirit of realism and denial of romantic features like enthusiasm, passion, and imagination. In this way, foreground for the novel was prepared, and after that, novel gained a great popularity. In 18th century, there was industrial revolution, trade and commerce was increased, middle class people get more importance in society, realistic picture of life and problems of common people described in the novel appealed to newly educated people and novel was regarded by them a good reading material. Thus, novel became a voice to middle class and lower class people at that time. We observe some features of drama and poetry in novel. The Pilgrim's Progress by John Bunyan and Oronoku by Aphra Behn shows colorful tradition of English novel. Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe, Moll Flanders, and Jonathan Swift's Gulliver Travels reflect colorful life of 18th century. Other major novelists of 18th century are Samuel Richardson, who wrote Pamela or Virtue Rewarded and Clarissa, Henry Fielding, Lawrence Stern, and Tobias Smollett. This tradition was enriched by many other novelists such as Charles Dickens, Walter Scott, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Horace Walpole, Thomas Hardy, Wilkie Collins, and H. G. Wells. The 20th century novels marked by new style and techniques. E. M. Foster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene, D. H. Lawrence, William Golding, and Anthony Burgess wrote some interesting novels raising political, social, psychological, and other modern issues. Some women novelists also gives valuable contribution to English literature and that cannot be neglected. Evelina by Frances Bury, Gothic novels by Anna Radcliffe, a novel based on science of the age, Frankenstein by Mary Shelley are important novels. Jane Austen also ruled over the minds of people. Bronte sisters also wrote some popular novels. Mary Anna Evans Ellis, George Eliot wrote some psychological novels. Indians have also played a major role in the writing of English novels. Raj Mohan's Wife by Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay was the first Indian novel. Mulkraj Anand, R. K. Narayan, and Raja Rao wrote some novels raising social issues. Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, and Arun Joshi wrote about current issues. Some dazzling performance of Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adiga, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai should be considered. English novel has undergone a vital change since its birth and have a bright future. Thank you very much.